Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing Kaale and I'm back with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple makeup tutorial. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So guys, I'm going ahead to moisturize my face with my homemade primer. The first thing I love doing is to draw my brows. This has been a routine I have been loving for a while now, so I'm going ahead to draw my brows with the Davis brand pencil. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply foundation and I'm using the Mary Kay foundation in the shade bronze 708 and bronze 607. The next thing I want to do is to apply concealer, and I'm going ahead to use the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. So guys, I want to contour my face and I love applying blush before contouring my face. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to set the areas I highlighted, and I'm going ahead to use the black opal finishing powder in the shade 02. Guys, I'm using the Iman pressed powder to set my entire face. I'm going ahead to apply lipstick, and I'm using the Davis brand pencil to line my lips. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply eyeshadow, and I'm going for a simple eye look. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. I've been loving using a dark eye pencil to line my eyes, so that's what I'm literally doing. I'm using the Davis black pencil to line my eyes. To set it all down, I'm going ahead to use my homemade setting spray. So guys, this is all for now. This is the final look. This is the complete look. This is the look we just created, like a simple look we just created, and I'm so loving it. Like guys, look at that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye for now.